advantages of using word processing applications over manual and mechanical word processing methods. So did we write down this part?
No, sir.
All right. So yes, why we need a word processing tool? So we learn word processing and what are the advantages? This is related to your workbook, right? This is related to your workbook. And word processing applications. So the earlier days, so word processing, before word processing, people used to write, right? People used to write in the documents, write in the papers using pens. But the word processing has made it uniquely. Means if you are using a font called, let's say you are using Arial font, and I'm also using Arial font, then my typos are, actually my typing maybe style is again similar to your typing style, because we both of us are using the same font, Arial. Later also you can change. But if you are writing it in a book, it's very difficult. But here, using the word processing tools, any number of people can write or any number of people can type in the same font. So that is unique. That uniqueness is there. And even after typing, it's easy to change. Because after writing, can you change the font after writing? It's very difficult. It's quite kind of very difficult thing. But what about word? It's just 1 second thing, right? Even less than 1 second. If you just select and just tick on this, so it will change the color. Right? Select and put a color, pick a color, and it will change. So that is less than 1 second. So you can easily change the color, change size, likewise. And it is faster, and it also saves the time. It is faster, and it also saves the time. Efficient way of writing that. And then the next thing important is, so you can automatically check the spelling and grammar errors. You can spelling checks, grammar checks, those are there. Those are automatic. And also you can automatically, you can put symbols, right? You can put symbols, styles. So that is also easy. And here can be easily replicated. You can copy and paste, but in writing, can we do that? Or in mechanical word processing, can we do that? Copy and paste into somewhere? No, it's not really possible. It's very difficult. Using maybe using a stamp, you can copy. Yes. Yes.
Sir, your voice breaks down sometimes.
Is it? Others?
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Sometimes it happens.
Is it? But so I'm connected to the Wi-Fi connection, SLT. Is it difficult to manage? So I think something wrong with the connection, but still, so it's not about data also. The data limit is also there. Is it not clear still?
No, sir, it's clear, but sometimes your voice is lagging.
There's a bit lag, right? Okay. Okay, try to manage it, right? Try to manage it. I'll send you the recording, but try to manage it in the live session also. Hurry. Then can be replicated easily, can be copied, and letters, words, lines, formattings, those things also can be copied easily. And if you want to print this in a paper, you can check before printing. එහෙම නැත්නම් දැන් ලියුමක් නම් අපි අතින් ලියලා ඉවර වෙලා ලිව්වට පස්සේ කොලේ ඉවරයිනේ. අපි අතින් ලිව්වට පස්සේ කොලේ ඉවර වෙනවා. හැබැයි මේකෙදි එහෙම නෑ. අපිට print කරන්න කලින් before we printing we can check. And we can instantly send it to someone. How? Using WhatsApp, using Viber, like in instant messages, using emails, using web applications, we can share with other people. And one more important thing, it is password protected. Do you know how to password protect document, Word document?
Yes, sir.
How?
Go to home
Mhm.
and then there will be like a banner saying password protect this document, and if you click that,
Okay, I'm in the home tab, but I cannot see password protect. Can you see? Okay, can you show us? Right? So I'll give you
okay, sir.
something. Okay, show us that, please. You can share the screen and show us. Okay, in Word. You are using 2013, right? Okay. Protect document. So how to enter password? Encrypted password. So that is in the info tab. Okay, that is also there. This is in Word 2013, right? In the home
Yes,
ribbon. Okay, that is also correct. Okay. So, okay, I'll show you another way. So, which is common to all the Word applications, Word, Excel, everything. I'll show you another way. So, can anyone share the screen again? Okay, then Nuri. So, please go to your Word document. Please go to your Word document and open it. Right. Okay, create a document and maybe type some letters, few letters, hello, something. Okay, then go to the file menu, and here you have password protect document. But so please go to the save as, and select computer. Okay, then give any location, maybe desktop or some. Okay, here, so this is common to all the versions. Let me show one thing which is common to all the versions. මේ පරණ version වලත් මේක තියෙනවා. Here you can see tools. There you can see something called general options. In general option, you can give password to open and password to modify. Two passwords actually. So one is, the first password is protecting your document. No one can even open that. The second password, so you can use that. So people can open, but people cannot edit that. So that is the second one. For opening, you can give one password. For editing, you can give another password. Okay, let's give 1, 2, 3 for opening, and ABCD for editing. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 for opening. ABCD for editing. 1, 2, 3, 4 for opening, and ABCD for editing. Okay, let's click OK. Okay. So again, you have to re-enter the password to open, and re-enter to password to modify. Re-enter that, and this is there in the save as dialog box. Then your document will be saved, and not only that, so when you save that, it will be password protected. You can save it, right? Okay, close it. Next time when you double click and open your document, it will ask you a password to open. Okay, cancel it or give some wrong password. Now you can't open this, right? Or cancel, give some wrong password, you can't open this. Close it and try to give the password for opening. Right, now you can open it. But so if you modify this, so you have given both passwords, right? The password for modify also. So if you have not given the password to modify, then you can't edit the document. You can open and read it, but you can't edit it. edit කරොත් ඔයා එක save as කරන්න. edit කරත් අර coding save කරන්න බෑ. save as කරන්න තමයි පුළුවන්. So those are the that is the way of giving a password. Actually that is applicable for any version, right? පරණ version වලත් වැඩ, අලුත් version වලත් වැඩ, අලුත්ම version වලත් වැඩ. So you can use that general options in tools in the save as dialog box, right? Okay, so I think now, so if anyone needs that, so please not here, so here password protected. So in Word, how tools, general options in save as. You can use that to password protect document. And images and illusions can be added. Not just images, symbols, graphics, maybe links, like things can be added to make actually those are more interactive, because but it's very difficult to add in writing. When you write or when you use mechanical methods, very difficult to add multimedia, images, illusions, so illustrations and multimedia. Anything else? Any other advantage of using word processing tools or software? Is there any other advantage, Puti? Anything missed?
Adding word arts.
Yes, that is coming under illustrations, right? Images, illustrations, multimedia, word art coming under that. And maybe errors and unwanted editing can be undo. Undo is a feature, right? Undo is also a feature, because you need to, yes, you need to like undone something that you have done. So then you can use undo feature. So that is also a very good point. Okay, so you can write down this in your book quickly and show these advantages of using word processing applications. Please write down this quickly. Right. Okay, the next thing is, so what are the duties of these keys actually we learn? And so there are some more examples, like control key is like, so it's so there are few control keys, right? If the first control key is the control key, but other than that, ALT key, FN key, ESC key, Windows key, and menu key can be used as combination with other keys to execute the shortcuts. So basically when you're talking, control and alt key and FN keys come in under, and shift key, right? So here shift is missing. Shift, control, alt, FN, shift, ESC, Windows, and menu keys. So you can use those keys along or with other keys to do some task. So for an example, you can see the control keys. I have given some examples. So these are, no need to write down this, just know this, right? No need to write down this. For an example, alt F4, we learn to close a window, alt tab, shift between window, and control F to find something, control A to select all, control C to copy, V to paste, X to cut, control N to take a new file, control B to bold. That means if you select something, control B, it will bold, control U will underline, control I will italic, again control I, reverse the italic, control U, reverse the underline, control B, reverse the bold. So it's very easy now. So if you want to select entire paragraph, triple click, tumpara click karanna, 1, 2, 3, then control B to bold, control I to italic, control U to underline, control U to remove that, I to remove that, B to remove that, right? Bold, italic, underline, right? Those are very easy with these shortcuts. And so here are some more. Control O to open, control P to print, control S to save, control Z to undo, control Y to redo, and Control D to show hide, sorry, Windows D to show hide desktop, Windows E to explore, Windows L to lock your computer. So these are these shortcuts we are using every day. These shortcuts we are using every day. So just take a screenshot of this. No need to write down. So, but since you know this, if you don't know anything, you can write down it later. Okay, then take a screenshot of first screen, this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then this one. So these are only few, right? There are more shortcuts. Lot of shortcuts are there in your computer. Okay, then the next important thing is alphanumeric keys or character keys. What is alphanumeric? Alphanumeric means alphabetic and numeric. A to Z, simple A to Z, symbols and numbers. Those are called alphanumeric keys. So most of the keys in our computer are alphanumeric. So for an example, type letters, symbols, numbers, non-printable characters. What is that? It is non-printable character. Non-printable character. What is that? Can you tell me one example for non-printable character? Without reading the note, right? So don't read everything, then no answer is there. Now you are reading that. If I go make them given. So what are the non-printable characters? Non-printable characters are these space bar, tab, enter key. Those are called non-printable characters. Why? Here, when you go to home ribbon, home ekata giyama, so you can see this P. P එකක් අනිත් පැත්ත ගහලා වගේ එකක් පේනවා. පේනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? Can you see? Or cannot? Hello? Yes, I'm referring to this. When you click this, what will happen? When you click this, what will happen? Can you click this and see in your computer?
So that symbol appears in the word.
Only that symbol. Isn't there some other symbols? Okay, let me click. You can see that symbol. Not only that, here, dots. Can you see some dots are there? Here, in between words, instead of space එක වෙනුවට dot එකක්, mid dot කියලා කියන අපි මේක. Space එක වෙනුවට mid dot එකක් පේන. enter එක වෙනුවට තමයි මේ P එක පේන්නේ. enter එක වෙනුවට P එක. ඒ වගේම tab key එක ගහලා තිබ්බනම් you press tab key මේ. So this is showing the tab key. These are non-printable characters. Why? If you take a printout, can you see these characters in the printout? No, we can't see. අර දැන් මේ වෙලාවේ මම file print කියලා print out එකක් ගත්තොත් මේ අකුරු පේන්නේ නැහැ. මේ dot මේ tab එකට එන මේ ඊතල තර මේ මැද්දේ තියෙන dot ඒවා පේන්නේ නැහැ. ඒවා characters ම තමයි. Those are also characters, but it's not possible to print that characters. ඊළඟ line එකට යන ඒවා new line, space, tabs are coming under non-printable characters. And backspace is also a character. Delete is also a character, but backspace is deleting the words. And deleting is also deleting the word, but deleting will delete from left to right, and backspace will delete from right to left. ඒ දෙක දෙපැත්තෙන්ම කරන්න. දැන් ඔයාලා මේ වචනයක ඉස්සරහට ගිහිල්ලා delete key එක press කරලා බලන්න. Type something in your word and press delete key. Then it's deleting this side, left to right. But if you go to the end and press backspace key, then it's deleting from right to left. Okay, I'll give one of you a chance to just experience that. Now one of you can share your screens. Ketania. So fastest are getting the chance always, right? Others also give a try. Type a random paragraph. Tenia. You know how to type random paragraph? How? තේනිය දන්නවද random paragraph එකක් කොහොමද type කරන්නේ?
Don't know, sir.
equal rand එකත් හොඳයි. එතකොට දැන් අනිත් අය දන්නේ නැත්නම් ඉගෙන ගන්න. සමාන ලකුණ ගන්න සමාන ලකුණයි rand equal rand. තේනිය shall we type not header එකේ නෙමෙයි පල්ලහැලි. Just double click in the body section. Then type equal rand within brackets open කරලා ඔයාට paragraph එකේ ඕන line ගන්න විතර line 5ක් ඕන කියලා 5 lines and number of paragraphs අපි හිතමු paragraph 3ක් ඕන කියලා comma 5 වලට පස්සේ comma එකක් දැන් වරහනට පස්සේ නෙවෙයි වරහන ඇතුලේ inside the brackets comma number of paragraphs, let's say 3, enter, close the brackets, enter. Now you can see 5 paragraphs each with 3 lines. Sorry, I have given wrong idea. So this will give first parameter will give number of paragraphs, 5 paragraphs each with 3 lines, right? So if you want 3 paragraphs each with 5 lines, just undo this, Control Z to undo, Control Z to undo, equal rand within bracket 3 paragraphs each with 5 lines. 5 lines. Close the brackets, enter, and you can get 3 paragraphs each with 5 lines. This is how you type random paragraph. Who knew that before? How දැනන් හිටියේ මේක කලින්? No one. Oh, I have done a service thing. Okay, so there's another way. You can just type equal rand විතරක් ගහන්න ඒත් වෙනවා. එතකොට හැබැයි අපිට පාලනයක් නැහැ. වරහන් දාන්න ඕන. වරහන් දෙක දාන්න ඕන. opening and closing. And press enter. That will also keep. But you don't have control over that. Undo that. Control Z. Equal rand කියලා ඇතුලේ ගහන්නකෝ 3යි කියලා. Then press enter. That will give 3 paragraphs. Number of lines, again, we don't have control over number of lines. There's another way. If you want to get some placeholder text in other language, you can type equal lorem instead of equal rand. Equal lorem. L-O-R-E-M. M. Lorem. It works similar to. So it working. It works similar to equal rand, but given in some other language, right? I don't know the language. Maximum lines, you have to give a try. That depends on your RAM. Right? Depend on your RAM. So what is the maximum amount which can be stored in your random access memory will be the supporting amount. You can just try 1,000, 2,000. Sometimes your machine will get stuck. But you can just give a try. Right? So try and see. Okay, so this is new thing. Right, now click on this random paragraph button. Sorry, click on this show hide printing characters button. Non-printing characters. When you click over there, you can see. No. Just click. Now you can see here the paragraphs. This is a paragraph end of the paragraph. Oh, enter. Put tab key එක දෙතුන් පාරක් ගන්න. Just press tab key. And now you can see tab key is represented here. And space is represented using a mid dot. Mid dot for the space. Right? So that is how we see the random paragraphs, and this is how we generate this. And then alphanumeric characters and deleting part. That is also I need to tell you. Can you go to the beginning of a paragraph? Yes, V accurate ඉස්සරහට යන්න. All right. Now press the delete key. Delete key. See, deleting from right to left. Delete key, delete from, sorry, left to right. Then press backspace key. It is deleting other way. Backspace is deleting backwards, and deleting is deleting frontwards. And if you want to delete a folder, Can you use backspace key to delete a folder?
No.
No, we have to use delete key, right? So backspace key is used in word processing applications, but delete key, you can use it in deleting other components also, right? Okay, so I think you got the idea. And if you don't know about the random paragraph thing, so you can write down it as a special note. So there are a few ways to get random paragraphs. Getting random paragraphs. There are a few ways. The first one is equal rand, or you can give equal rand. You can give the number of paragraphs, or you can give equal rand, then number of paragraphs, which how many number of lines. Will give random paragraphs, or you can give number of paragraphs, or you can ask number of paragraph each with how many lines. So an examples, this is an example. And not only that, you can replace, rand with Lauren to get placeholder text. Placeholder text can filling text. Text in some other language. In non-English, basically in non-English. Right, so that is special note. And also write about the alphanumeric keys. Please write both alphanumeric keys and about the random paragraphs.